If you play this game for 1 minute, you will earn $10. If you play for 10 minutes, you will get $100. This is the best how to make money online method. So let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this secret website where you can get paid for installing and playing games. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. Oh, and I'm also going to show you how to create a USA account on this website so you can access high-paying offers, even if you're from Tier 3 countries like India, Philippines, or South Africa. And don't worry, it's not about VPN. It's a secret trick that most people don't know yet, so you better take advantage of this quickly. But first, let me show you how simple it is to make money here. You just need to sign up and start completing different offers like testing apps, watching videos, and most importantly, playing games. This website is available worldwide, so you can be from any country and still earn money. Now, first thing you need to do to start earning money is click this sign up button and register yourself to this website. Once you log in into your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, simply click on Earn, and you'll be shown different ways to make money online like offers and surveys. But today, we're focusing on earning money by playing games. For this, head to the Offers tab and select the first option. A window will pop up showing tons of apps and games available for you to install and earn money. For instance, the game Warpath Ace Shooter is offering over 66,000 coins, which is equal to $66. If you click on it, it'll show you the specific tasks you need to complete to earn those coins. For example, you'll earn 32 coins just by clearing 1 to 16 covert ops stages, 531 coins for upgrading your command center to level 14, and over 40,000 coins for upgrading it to level 30, which is roughly around $40. Another game, Jackpotland, is offering 60,000 coins, which is worth $60. Just by completing 20 levels, you'll earn 73 coins, and for completing 300 levels, you'll receive 34,000 coins. The more levels you complete, the more money you can earn. And don't worry if you're not getting offers like me, because I'm going to share my secret trick that helps me create a USA account on this website and get high-paying offers just like these ones. So stick around, I'll reveal the trick in just a moment. To download these games on your phone, simply scan the QR code with your mobile device, and you'll be directed to the Play Store, where you can install this game and start playing it to earn money. There are hundreds of games just like these that you can install, play, and make money from. You can even filter the offers by your device type, whether it's desktop, Android, or iOS, so only the relevant offers for your device will appear. Name of this secret website is freeword.net. They've paid out over $45 million to its users, and the platform is 100% legit because they have a 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot. Now, if you prefer, you can also explore other offer walls like AdGate Media. Just select your device, and you'll see a variety of apps and games to install and earn from. For example, by installing the game Coin Festival, you'll earn 69,000 coins, while another game will pay you 30,000 coins, equivalent to $30. There's no shortage of apps and games for you to choose from to boost your income. And here's a trick to 10 times your earnings. What you can do is create multiple accounts on Freeword website, and then you can complete all the stages of high-paying games like Warpath Ace Shooter on one account. After that, take a screenshot of that game as proof, and then you can claim the reward for the same game across all your other accounts. Imagine creating 10 accounts and earning $66 from each one. That's a total of $660 just from completing one game. Now, before I show you how to withdraw your money, let me introduce another easy earning method, which is watching videos. To start, click on Send Media from the offer wall. A window will show you different categories like gaming videos, music videos, and tech videos. Choose your favorite category. I personally love watching gaming videos, so I always go with that one. Once you click Start Earning, you'll be taken to the official pixelpoint.tv website. Here, you'll need to create an account, and after that, your earnings from pixelpoint.tv will automatically be credited to your Freeword account. All you have to do is sit back, watch your favorite videos, and watch the money roll in. Now, to boost your earnings even further, let me show you another trick. For this, head over to the Time Wall offer wall and create an account. Once you're in, select the click option from the sidebar, and you'll be able to earn money just by viewing ads. Simply click View, watch the ad for 5 seconds, and close the tab to earn your points. The best part? There's no limit. You can keep watching ads and earning coins. If you're looking for even more passive income, don't forget about Freeword's affiliate program. You'll earn a 5% commission for every person you refer, and the more people you invite, the higher your commission. You can earn up to a 20% commission by reaching Tier 8, which makes it one of the easiest ways to earn money on this platform. Now let me show you how to withdraw your earnings. Once you're ready, click on Cash Out, and it's going to take you to the withdraw page. Freeword offers multiple payout options, including PayPal, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and many more. And the minimum withdrawal amount is only 1,000 coins, which is $1. You can easily reach it in a matter of seconds. To To withdraw, simply select your preferred method. In my case, I'm going to select PayPal. Here, enter your PayPal email address and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Lastly, hit Withdraw button. You will get your payment in 48 hours. Now let me show you how to create a USA account on Freeword website. This trick allows you to access high-paying USA-only offers, regardless of whether you're from India, Indonesia, South Africa, or the Philippines. It's a simple process, and you can use this method without any issues. First, go to gologin.com. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that lets you create proxies for any website out there. These proxies will allow you to create and manage multiple accounts on pretty much any website. If some of the websites are not available in your country, then you can use GoLogin to access those websites and earn money from them. I've given the link of GoLogin in description of this video. You can directly access it from there and sign up for completely free. Once you've created an account on GoLogin, I want you to click on the download button on top right. Then you need to choose your device type, which you will be using to create multiple accounts to different websites. If you are using a smartphone, you can download the GoLogin app from Play Store. And if you are using a laptop or computer, you can choose the Windows, Linux, Mac OS download button from here and download the GoLogin app to your device. Once you download the GoLogin app, it will look like this. Now all you have to do is double-click on it and it will start installing on your device. After that, you just need to log in using your email and password that you created while signing up to the GoLogin website earlier. Once you log into GoLogin, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see, I've created a couple of profiles for the Freeword website already that I used regularly. To create a new profile, just click the new profile option from the top. That's going to take you to this page. Here, first of all, you need to name your profile. After that, in the proxy section, you can select your own proxy which you've bought, or you can use GoLogin proxy for free. In the country drop-down menu, select the country which you want to create your profile. Leave everything else just like this and click on the right icon here. From here, select the advanced option. In advanced settings, you just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and in the start URL, paste the URL of Freeword website. And lastly, hit the create profile button on the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Our profile is ready. To test if this proxy is working, we just need to hit the run button and it's going to open up a new tab for us where you can see our USA profile is working well. If you see in our normal country website, we are getting $7 for this offer, but in the USA profile, we are getting a whopping $30 for the same offer. Using this trick maximizes your earnings, allowing you to make hundreds of dollars every day. And remember, you're not limited to just one profile. You can create up to 3 profiles in GoLogin for free. For unlimited profiles, you'll need to purchase one of their paid plans, which are very affordable. But if you don't have money to spend right now, just start with the 3 free profiles. And once you've earned some money, you can invest it in their paid plans to create more profiles and increase your earnings even further. Now, if you want to make even more money, then watch this video where I will show you how to earn $1.44 per ad you watch. I'll see you there.